Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn insane amount of money using very simple YouTube videos. You don't need to create your content yourself. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to provide any voiceover. Still, you can make money online. You can make $1,000 every single day. I'm not saying that you are going to make this money overnight, but if you really take consistent action on the strategy which I'm going to show you in this video, then you can make this kind of money in the upcoming next year or in upcoming next 2 years. Okay, this is practically what I am telling you, and this is based on my practical experience of how much time it takes to grow a YouTube channel and how much you can earn money out of it. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. You can replicate this YouTube channel really very easily because you don't need to create a single piece of content. Everything is made up for you. All you need to do is copy and paste. Okay, so now let's get started. So let's get aside of the screen so that I may not disturb you during the video. Okay, so all you need to do is, let me show you this YouTube channel. This is known as Quantum Tech HD. Now this YouTube channel makes an insane amount of money because you have got that it has 6.51 million subscribers and it has just posted 289 videos. Let me show you how much money this channel makes per day. Okay, let's check it out. So you can see that this channel is making almost $169 to $2,700 every single day, as well as $571 to $9,000 every single day. From my experience, I can see that this channel is making almost we can say that $3,000 every single day. I'm not talking about months. This channel is making this amount of money per day. Okay, that's the thing which you need to understand, and that's the power which you need to utilize. And this is why I am creating this video, because I want to open this big opportunity for you so that you can take part of this opportunity and make some great bucks online. Okay, so now let's get started. Let me cover the entire strategy. Watch this video till the end. Don't miss even a single second of this video, because if you are gonna miss that, you are gonna miss a lot of money. It's your choice. If you want to miss a lot of money, you can do that. Okay, so we are now on this channel, and let me show you what type of videos this channel is doing. Okay, they are not creating the videos, they are not providing any voiceover, nothing at all. And let me show you what type of videos are there. Let's refresh it. Maybe there may be some problem. I don't know if there is some reason due to that my computer is not able to play this video, but just understand what type of videos this channel is making. Okay, so what they are doing is that they are having super cool gadgets. Okay, and all these super cool gadget videos are uploaded on this video. Now I will show you how you can find this type of super cool gadget videos. Okay, and that's also absolutely for free, and you can really do this type of videos. Let me show you one website on which this type of videos are available. I don't know what's the reason, but my computer isn't able to play this video. Okay, so let me show you. So this is the type of videos which this channel is ready-made uploading. Okay, let me show you this video.
These are rise ups. Rise ups are.
So these are the super cool kind of videos which this type of channels are uploading. What they are doing is that they are finding this type of 2 or 3 videos. They are making a compilation of those videos and uploading those videos to YouTube channel. Okay, and now let me show you what they are doing in their description. Okay, so let's click one of the YouTube videos and let's go to the description. Okay, so you can see that in the description of this videos, they are providing all the credits of, you can see here are the credits to whatever video they are uploading on their YouTube channel, and where they found this video, and what is the website of that particular company. Okay, so you can see all the credits are being provided over here by this company. Okay, so you can see that you can also make this kind of very simple YouTube channel. Okay, now how this is the website which is known as Kickstarter.com. Okay, just go to Kickstarter.com and all you need to do is click on this DIY and tech. Okay, design and tech. All you need to do is click over here and you can find this type of insane products and insane videos which you can use in your YouTube videos. Now this type of videos won't give you any copyright strikes because they want their product to be out. Okay, they want their product to be sold, and the reason how a product sells is that the more eyeballs gets on the product, the more the product sell, and that's the reason why these people will never copyright you if you use their content. But still you need to take permission. Okay, if you get the permission, it is always a better idea. Okay, so now let's see then all these products. Okay, so let's check out this one. So you can see this is a gem product. Okay, okay, so this is a type of product and the video which we require. Now how will you download this video? Or if you really want to contact the owner of this video, you can just contact it over here on Facebook or Twitter. Okay, but for most of the people who are not willing to contact the owner of this video, they can directly download this video. Okay, so how you are gonna download this? To download this video, you need this extension to be installed into your Chrome browser, which is known as OneClick Video Downloader. Okay, that's really important. And with this OneClick Video Downloader, you can download any of the videos which are available on the internet on any website. It's not that those videos are available on YouTube or anywhere, but you can download videos absolutely from any website. So there is no need to download so there is no need for you to find any website and then copy and paste the link over there, and then after you can download videos. So you have one click and you can download the videos. Okay, let me show you how you are going to download this video. All you need to do is click on this extension and you can see the download link of this video will be available over here. So this is the easiest thing to be ever done, easiest video to be ever downloaded. Okay, so once you have downloaded this video to your computer, how you are going to create a compilation video is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So now stay tuned and watch. So here's the video editor which you need to download to your computer. This is known as OpenShot Video Editor. Now OpenShot Video Editor is really the easiest video editing software which you can ever use. All you need to do is drag your clips and put those clips into this video editor, join those clips, export the project, and it's done. Okay, but still, if you don't know how to use OpenShot Video Editor, this is available absolutely for free. Just check out a ton of tutorials are available on YouTube. You can just check out all those videos and understand how this video editor works and how you can make compilation videos with this type of really simple video editor. Okay, that's something which you need to understand, and that's something which you need to do. Okay, so once you have downloaded this video editor, all you need to do is make this type of really simple compilation videos and upload those videos, and you just have to provide the credits in the description of your YouTube video so that you won't have any problem in the future. That's really important, and that's all the basic simple strategy. And utilizing this strategy, a lot of people are making a ton of money. You can check out this Quantum Tech YouTube channel. It's making a ton of money. You can also make that ton of money from your channel. All you need to do is replicate the strategy of that YouTube channel which they have done, and you just need to replicate the strategy for yourself and make all that money which they are making yourself. This is really simple, really easy. Absolutely anyone can do it from anywhere in the world, any country of the world, because probably YouTube works in every single country of the world and it pays its revenue in every single country of the world. So don't worry about that, and that's something which really I need to tell you, and that's the reason why I prefer YouTube as the number one company which can earn you a lot of money. It's just a gold mine to earn a lot of money online in 2020. So if you got some great value out of this video, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you, in which I explain you all the tutorials step by step on how to make money online every single day. So if you got some value out of this video, press the subscribe button. Also, you can follow our Instagram page, link is there in the description, and you can also message me over there, ask me if you have any of the queries, questions and doubts. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.